I wish I'd set out there just a little bit further and hold. I know he won't. What we got here? I ain't seen him yet. He's coming. Now he's gonna shut shine. Yep. I haven't seen him yet. It's all right. Don't house him. Just take your time. I don't see it there, but I bet it's a brown trout. A little bit. I like this for to do that cutthroat. I like to hear that cutthroat trout. It'd be fantastic. It'd be fantastic.
I'll tell you what, he's pulling on your line pretty good there, Herb.
Yeah, he is. He's pulling pretty good.
Try not to horse him.
Yeah, I haven't seen him yet. I put my glasses on, I can probably see a little better. Yeah, just take your time with it. He's not gonna like the boat, for sure. They tend to get bigger when they see the boat, don't they?
Yeah. They tend to grow a little bit as soon as they see that boat.
I see him. He's not a bad fish. Good fish. Pretty fish. Okay, don't go to the line. Just take your time. That's a good one right there. Take your time. We'll just take your time. That's another good fish. Another good fish. Got it. Hey, buddy. Herb's got the line on him.
Let me tell you what, bud. Herb's wearing them out. There is zero doubt about it. That's a brown trout fishing individual right there.
Go right there. Go right there. That's just about right where you keep it. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, I got him. Barely got him, but I got him in there. That's another good fish. Look at that one.
Man.
That is a beautiful fish, man. Look at that.
Herb. Holy moly.
You said he's not as big as the last one. I think he's bigger than the last one, ain't he, Herb?
He sure is.
That's a nice fish right there, buddy.
Oh, wow.
That is a beautiful fish. I tell you what, another big male.
Holy moly, Herb.
Nice fish, man.
Golly, Bill Herbert.
Great job. Here, let me take your pole and get it up out of the way so we don't get it hurt. I'll take your pole and get it out of the way. And then we'll take another picture.
All right. Yeah, I'll tell you what I'm going to do.